Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. The COVID-19 pandemic has learnt us so many lessons. How to stay home, safely, why not to go out, why should we take why should not take the outside food, all these things, how to maintain the cleanliness, hygiene, all these things we came to know. At the same time, people from other countries, they suffered a lot. People who came from other countries like China, they could not go back. Students, they have to suffer the gap in between the sessions, all these things occurred. Now, an incident has come before the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Please remember, while dealing with the case of National Medical Commission, present, previously it was IMA. So, National Medical Commission versus Pooja Thandu Naresh. So this actually belongs to Pooja API Court, but anyway, Supreme Court has given the judgment. Two judges, Hemant Gupta and V. Ram Subramaniam, while dealing with the civil appeal that is filed by National Medical Commission against that Pooja Thandu Naresh and others in civil appeal number 2950 and 2951 by 2022 on 29th April 2022 held that granting provisional registration to medical student or to a doctor who has not undergone the practical training or clinical training is not correct. This is the problem. So please remember, if you know the facts of the case, it is better for you and you will appreciate, right? So the respondent, that is Pooja Thandu Naresh and some others, they were educated in medicine. They have undergone the medical course in China in 9 semesters. But incidentally, during the 2020, the so-called pandemic has come and they have come back from China. Now they cannot go back to China, but they have to undergo one more semester, 10th semester, that is the so-called house surgeon or intern. So for this semester, China has introduced online clinical training. Of course, for ophthalmology and some other topics, nuclear medicine, okay, it was done online, somewhere accepted. But when they paid, what for the so-called intern training, he should interact with the patients. He should know the difficulties of patients, and he should know different types of cases which come to the hospital. And he has to physically attend the suturing of the wounds, conducting the operation, being present, conducting the post-mortem for cadavers, all these things he has to do physically. So online course is not at all advisable. No doubt the Chinese people, they have conducted online clinical training and they have given a certificate. Now these people wanted provisional registration, that they are eligible to act as doctors by getting the provisional registration from the National Medical Commission. Actually, they applied for the Tamil Nadu Medical Commission. Actually, they did not agree. They dismissed their petitions. Now, what to do? ఇక్కడ మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. చైనాలో వీళ్ళు మెడిసిన్ చదివించారు, 10th సెమిస్టర్ ఆగిపోయింది. 10th సెమిస్టర్ అంటే హౌస్ సర్జన్ మనవాళ్ళు ఆన్లైన్లో చేసామన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ప్రొవిజనల్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్, డాక్టర్గా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ అంటే తమిళనాడు మెడికల్ కౌన్సిల్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టోటల్లీ రిఫ్యూజ్డ్. మీరు చేయడానికి ఫిజికల్ ట్రైనింగ్ లేకుండా మేమేటా చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. దెన్ దే అప్రోచ్డ్ ది తమిళనాడు హైకోర్ట్ సెడ్ yes, definitely, no doubt, COVID-19 threw up so many challenges all over the world. Yes, definitely. You have to adjust with the circumstances. So, if the court has done the so-called virtual proceedings, if any decision is given, do you say that it's not a correct decision? 100% yes, it's actual. Like that, online training is also training. So, what for this profession? After all, to make him practice. So, he will learn so much through practice only. That is the intention of the Tamil Nadu High Court. They have allowed the petition. They have asked the Medical Council or a National Medical Commission to recognize them or to give the provisional registration. But National Medical Commission did not satisfy. They did not agree. They are actually aggrieved with the decision of the Tamil Nadu High Court that they have not considered the facts of the particular case. Ultimately, they approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Now, dealing with all these facts, Honorable Judges Hemant Gupta and B. Ram Subramaniam held that medical profession, it is dealing with the lives of so many people. Vaidyo Narayano Hari. A doctor is equal to God. He will save the lives. So for which he has to undergo the physical training or practical training with patients. So he has to interact with the patients. He has to know their deficiency, or he has to see the how the operation is being, how the sutures are being applied. All these things he has to know physically, but not online. So no compromise with the health of the citizens of India. Online critical training cannot be imparted. So please remember, it will not satisfy the diagnosis, the prognosis, and also the interactions with the patients. So definitely, now it's not allowed. But at the same time, Supreme Court of India, in its wisdom, they said that they had observed that the National Medical Council will fix a time schedule or a scheme for such people to undergo practical training in India, and then they will say whether they can be given the provisional registration or not. At this particular point of time, no registration without practical training, without house surgeon. So this is a beautiful judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Please read the case law. NMC, National Medical Commission versus Pooja Thandu Naresh. So you can see the citation in 2022 LiveLaw SC 426. With this, I am stopping. Thank you very much.